Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional origami swan. This tutorial is presented to you by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. At the moment, I'm posting 3 times a week. Every Friday, like today, I'm going to be posting a new origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Every Sundays, I'm going to be posting a bonus video, which is either going to be part of my vlog or another origami model that's never seen before on this channel. Ideally, something more complex. Every Tuesdays, I'm going to be posting a new paper airplane that's part of my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. This is where I try to find 100 different types of paper airplanes and show you how to fold them. Now that we're done with the introductions, let's get back to the tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional origami swan. Now let's begin. If you've gone an extra few minutes, please check the 2 videos that's going to pop up on the screen. I'm pretty sure you're going to like them. If you liked the video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.